Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Today I'm going to take photos with some local photographers here.
Hi.
Yeah. So what camera is
So
using
I
today?
have a Konica Big Mini, and I'm gonna use Fuji Superior 200X by 2013. Excited! Okay.
Yeah. Nice.
Great.
Cool.
Ready to shoot?
Okay, and this is another photographer, Swiss. Yeah. Which camera are you going to use today?
Today I'm going to use Olympus AF1.
Oh, I have this one.
Yeah, this one.
Cool. Which way do you go? Maybe this way? Okay, cool. Let's go. Today I'm going to use my Ricoh FF9D. This is the only film camera I brought to Cambodia. Thanks to Vanthan, the owner of WeFlim Lab. He organized today's photo work. And if you are interested in how we met, you can watch my previous video. Yeah.
We're gonna go inside, and this is a architecture school and art school.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, nice.
It's been 100 years ago.
Okay. What's the name?
Shortcut we call Rufa.
Lufa.
Rufa.
Rufa.
O-U-F-A.
O-U-F-A.
That mean I'm not sure.
Yeah, this is it. The Royal University of Fine Arts. Okay. Let's go take a look. Okay. It looks Cambodia. Okay, and our models today, this is Mary and this is Elizabeth. Yeah.
大家好
Cool. How to say 大家好 in Cambodia?
សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា
So hard.
Yeah.
Can you say it again?
សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសួស្តី
Susne.
សួស្តី
Susne.
អ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នា
Okay.
Almost got it right.
I will try. Maybe 1 month later I can do it.
Or you can say in shortcut, it's 你好 it's សួស្តី
Tuesday.
Yeah.
That's a lot easier. Tuesday. Okay, I can.
It means 你好
Okay, I can remember this. Tuesday. Let's take a look at this school. Look at little kitty. It's following us. The weather here is very good every day. Look at this. The light is nice. But it's very hot outside. Love you. 我想你。Follow my IG. Okay, I will follow you. Okay, we got another friend. What's your name?
You can call me this.
Okay, this is all. Which camera are you going to use today?
Today I use Pentax KM.
Let's shooting. There's a dog. Hi.
Inside also good.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah, let's go there.
Good. Yeah, and I like the street view here. Good. This future factory, unlimited creativity. Yeah, I like it. This is Cambodia yellow. This place looks good.
In the front.
Nice. Rat. Big rat.
Oh my god, I can't smell that.
Look at the electricity lights here. There are so many. She just told me she is actually from Thailand. I thought you are from Cambodia. I can say Sawadika. Oh, nice. We enter somewhere cool. And I know what you say, 浑水, right? 浑水.
Huh?
浑水.
So white? So
Wednesday.
it means like beautiful.
Yeah, beautiful.
How to say in Chinese or Taiwanese?
Yeah, similar, 水. No, it's Taiwanese. 水. 水.
Wow.
Yeah, take a break time. It's good here. But it's still hot. We are on the rooftop and the view is very good here. See? Nice. Over there is beautiful. You have another roll or?
Yeah, only one roll.
Oh, me too. I think I got maybe one or two more shots left. How about you?
We open and check it out.
No. Yeah, the balcony here is good. They are taking photos here. You can see the street views here and the blue skies here. Yeah, finish rewinding. We finish our films, now it's digital time. So that's all for today. Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye. 再见。How to say in Khmer?
你好
So hard. Okay, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, bye. Thank you. Don't understand, but it's okay. It's good to have a friend here. It's good to have a local friend here.